Hi there, my name is Anna DeLopo, and I am a licensed acupuncturist. My practice is in Laguna Hills, right off Lake Forest exit in Orange County. Thanks so much for visiting the site. The name of my website is moveyourqi.com, and the name of my business is Elements in Harmony Acupuncture and Chinese Herbs. This is our 33rd video. I posted something on Facebook today in regards to a 70-year-old woman's, that's 70, a 70-year-old woman pain that she's had for the last 5 years. I just want to give you a little idea of the improvement that we've been making in her life. And also I'm going to discuss another woman's case who didn't have a period for half a year, and now it's back with only 8 treatments. And then I'm going to discuss a little bit about the holidays. So we'll just make this really quick. A 70-year-old woman came in with severe knee pain on November 2. Today is December 6, 2013. 5 years ago was the onset of her pain. The diagnosis is arthritis. This was exacerbated by training for a tennis tournament. The pain would vary from a 0 to an 8 depending on usage, 10 being the highest level of pain on a scale 1 to 10. By the way, this patient is coming to see me to prevent surgery because she's living with this pain for the last 5 years, and that's the only recommendation that's being given to her. The pain would oftentimes be sharp and deep, varying with intensity. Walking fast and taking the stairs would be killer on her knee. The patient had 3 years of shots for her pain occurring every 2 to 3 months, averaging 4 shots a year. Only one of them was a cortisone shot. They gave her minimal relief. The patient also tried prolotherapy. She had a total of 9 therapy sessions that cost her $250 each time. They did not give her good relief. They requested for her to do about 10 more, but the cost prevented her from continuing therapy, considering that they had not given her any substantial relief up until that point. The knee pain that this woman was experiencing was typically a 1 when sitting. In the morning, the pain would be at an 8. The patient considered herself to be in a lot of pain most of the time. The patient's treatments were November 2, November 5, 8, 12, 14, 19, 26, and now December 6. Today was her 8th acupuncture treatment with me, and I do Dr. Tan's Balance Method acupuncture. 99% of the points, 99% of the needles do not go to the knee. As a matter of fact, they go to her opposite elbow in my practice. On treatment 2, the pain was worse afterwards, which was expected 5% of the time in my treatments. On treatment 3, she felt better in the morning. From 10 p.m. until 6 a.m., she had no pain. The pain did not interrupt her sleep, and she did not require any medication to alleviate her pain. The pain started to move around the knee, which was to be expected. The patient also noticed that things were starting to feel different. On treatment 4 and 5, the patient started to feel more relief. On treatment number 6, the patient felt like she had gone backwards because she tried doing Qigong for the first time standing, and it was not good for her at that point for her knees. And prior to Qigong, she was doing much better. On treatment 7, the knee was doing good. The patient felt really good after the 6th treatment. The pain after Qigong was almost all gone. She felt that she was walking almost naturally again before the pain started, which was 5 years ago. She felt an overall 50% improvement under my care. She felt like she was limping much less, and she also was able to play golf, which she had been avoiding for quite some time up to that point, and she played very well. The patient played on a full course. The patient was very happy to state today during her 8th treatment that she felt an overall 70% improvement since we started. The treatment number 7 was on Tuesday. She walked for 45 minutes with her dog that Sunday, and she did not feel any pain that day. She had not walked for 45 minutes for the past 3 years, and she was amazed. She then walked for about 20 minutes the next day, which was Monday. That was too much, and she felt that she went back in progress. I advise her on modifying her workout to every other day, icing on the days that she walks for 45 minutes, and icing and using heat on her days off. This 70-year-old woman was very athletic throughout her life, and she is building confidence that she will heal very soon. She did not expect to have this much improvement so quickly. In 1 month, she is walking again. Success builds confidence, and this patient's confidence is getting bigger and bigger. And I want to thank my teacher, Dr. Richard Tan in San Diego. for his method, Dr. Tan's Balance Method Acupuncture. So the second thing I want to talk about is a patient who did not have her period since May 25. So June, July, August, September, October, November, and it's been exactly 6 months, and she is on day 10 today. So after 6 months, she did not have her period. After she had her 8th treatment with me, so really 7 treatments was what caused her to have her period. No herbs yet, and she had a period for 5 days. It was bright red blood, and she was enthusiastic with her improvement. She had not had a healthy period like that in 2 years. So her FSH levels were very high back in May, and so with the improvements, I'd like to see how her progress will be with her periods and her overall health over the next 3 to 6 months, and I'll have her recheck her hormone levels around that time too. We're focusing on natural fertility. And the third thing I want to discuss is the fact that it's December, and this is actually the last December that I'm going to be in my 30s. I turned 40 on December 19, and it's a very festive time for me this month. I'm expecting it to be. I'm actually throwing a baby shower tonight at our healing center for a patient of mine who unfortunately lost last year, and she has only her husband, and her friends are spread out throughout the country. Not really very much association with a bunch of people here in Southern California. So I want to make it festive for her and her baby to be. The reason why I want to bring this up is because I have been in practice for 14 years, and I happen to know very well that this is a very difficult time for some people out there, and I want to reach out to you and let you know that some people do understand that this is not a very festive time for you, and that if you just reach out, and I could be one of those people that you reach out to, just there are people who really care, and just want to let you know that, I know what it's like to lose people. So that's all I wanted to share. Another thing that I want to bring up is that I've created martial arts and empowerment for girls and women. Please contact me if you've ever been abused or violated in any way. It's open to all girls of all ages. We'll be having our next meeting here at our healing center on December 18 at 2 p.m. and it's open to everyone. I do jiu-jitsu, and I have quite a few friends who will be assisting and training jiu-jitsu. Not necessarily at our meetings. Our meetings will be talking about how we want to progress. It can be for any girls or women who need help at that moment. I have a lot of volunteers that are just willing to listen, willing to mentor, and also willing to coach in different types of martial arts. So if you have ever been violated or abused in any way and you would like to share your experience, or if you need help, we are here to help. I have a team of magnificent women, very empowering women, some who've been also physically and sexually abused, and some who have not. But we're here to collaborate and share that we have in ourselves, and just be here for everyone who needs help. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great holiday season. Hanukkah just passed, so happy belated Hanukkah to those of you who are Jewish. And Merry Christmas, in case I don't make another video, and happy holidays to all of you. All right, thank you so much. The name of my website is moveyourqi.com. You can call me anytime at 949-305-1703. Have a great day. Thanks.